Here we are in Monaco, one of the wealthiest countries in the world. We came here from Nice by bus 100. It was a wonderful ride nearby sea coast, and it took us about 40 minutes. The cost of the ride is very reasonable. It's €1 and a half. The first building we faced here in Monaco is the National Museum of Monaco, and at that moment there was some exhibition from Egypt, and the admission fee was €6. National Museum is surrounded with a beautiful garden, and the first you can see that everything here in Monaco is concentrated on a very small area. It's about 3 to 4 kilometers long and 2 kilometers wide, and it's an independent country. Here we came to the beach. It is a beach of Monaco, with a beautiful color of the sea. Not for some serious swimming that I love a lot, maybe more for the kids and for the sunbathing. It has two parts. This part, divided by the fence, is a private part, and the other one is public. There are about 30 residents of Monaco, and only 30,000 residents of Monaco, and I think only 10,000 are the citizens of Monaco. There are no taxes on their incomes, and so it's the reason why wealthy people from all around the world come here to become the residents. Here we can see preparations for the Grand Prix in electric Formula that was held these days in May here in Monaco. And this part of Monaco is Monte Carlo. There is a big marina and casino and the famous Grand Prix route for the Formula One. You can see beautiful view, and at this moment we are in a little rush going to the palace of Prince Albert, trying to see exchange of guards in front of his palace. We found a route up the hill to the palace, and it is just at the entrance of the king's palace, and here is a beautiful viewpoint, one of the most beautiful viewpoints on Monaco. We are just entering into the gates at the square where the palace of Prince Albert is, but soon we'll realize that we are late on the ceremony, but it doesn't matter. We'll enjoy this beautiful part of the Monaco. This is the view on a new part of Monaco, which is basically built on the land which is taken from the sea. Here's the Cathedral of Monaco, and here is the building of Justice, Palace of Justice. We went inside, and inside are the graves of Princess Grace Kelly and Prince Prince Renier of Monaco. I have to say I didn't feel very pleasant inside. I personally don't like those types of churches which make you to be afraid of God, but it's my impression. Here's a residential area just around King's Palace, and citizens of Monaco lives here. Very peaceful, very elegant. You can hear the birds everywhere, and we are going in direction of Museum of Oceanography. That is one very impressive building. I think half of this is built directly from the stones above the sea, and it's very impressive building. Everything here is built to impress people by its wealth. And at first moment I didn't like it, but as time was going on I realized that it's very good to live in a place where everything you have on a very small concentrated space, and everything is in order. So I have to say that I like. There are beautiful gardens all around, beautiful viewpoints. Here's one of the gardens. I can look on the Monaco from the entrance of King's Palace. And now we are entering at the old Monaco. It's also on the hill where the King's Palace is. It is the old part of Monaco, although it looks very new because everything is painted and maintained very well. Here is usually quite a lot of people between 12 and 8 p.m. like everywhere in France, and even here in Monaco it is lunchtime. But after that time the rush is not big. Here is a little bit of old town of Monaco. And now we are coming to the garden where we can see the statue of Princess Grace Kelly. There are many stories about big love between Grace Kelly and Prince Rainier. One of them tell us that Monaco was on the edge of bankruptcy after the Second World War, and that there was idea that Prince Rainier could have marriage with Marilyn Monroe, but somehow he met Grace Kelly at a film festival in Cannes. It was love at the first sight from the both sides, and Grace Kelly became a Princess of Monaco. Very soon she retired from her acting, and until the end of her life she was dedicated to her husband and Monaco. And in that way the problems of love and the bankruptcy were solved at one moment. Sadly, Grace Kelly had a tragic accident, and she died in a car accident. Here a rosarium of Princess Grace in a new part of the Monaco. Beautiful garden, You can see that although there is not much space in Monaco, they built beautiful gardens. They took care about their citizens to feel pleasant. Beautiful promenade in new part of Monaco. You can see Heliodrome. The helicopters are coming here, and very often they're used if you want to go to the airport in Nice, and you need about 7 minutes to come there. Here is also small marina, not big one like in Monte Carlo. As we missed the ceremony of exchange guards in front of Prince Albert Palace, we had to come the next day. And so here we are watching this ceremony. It was very elegant, but I have to say not so impressive as we expected. Expected that Prince Albert will somehow come and tell us a few words, but it didn't happen. Oh! We decided to go in the direction of Jardin, which is on the top of Monaco, just on the edge of Monaco, and it wasn't easy walk up the stairs. Took some time climbing up. Here is also one beautiful garden with nice view on Monaco from the top. Here is the Jardin exotic, but it didn't work, so we could see it only from outside. To take a little bit look inside, but it doesn't matter. It was a very interesting walk. Just a little bit on the left, it's in France. Monaco doesn't have its own army. Its protection is in the arms of France. Here is a look inside the Jardin. Here are two very interesting buildings. This one looks very ornamental. Very nice. Here is a Japanese garden of Princess Grace. You can see that Princess Grace stayed in lovely memory of citizens of Monaco. Here we can see world famous casino at Monte Carlo, built I think in 1850. Monaco at that time was on the edge of bankruptcy, and it was a solution of its financial problems. Wealthy people from Nice used to come here and spend their money. Thank you for watching.